It's the end of the week, but no time to relax. ES continues its downward march, breaking structures again at 5,532 and hitting all bear targets. Next big level will be 5,313. No major news events today, but it is Friday, guys. Be extra cautious. Protect your profits. Liquidity sweeps and failed breakouts are setting traps. So today we stay sharp and play it safe. Let's dive in. On the 10-day volume profile, we see more volume building below this 5,630 level. The value area low now at 5,621, which is a possible bull target. This POC from August at 5,475 is next major downside level. We see a clear distribution forming right here. If buyers push back into this value, expect a strong rally up. On the weekly and daily structure chart, we see a B-shaped volume profile, which means market conditions might be shifting. But liquidity sweeps and failed breakouts could trap traders on the lower time frames, so be careful. Holding inside this August-September value area between 5,543 and 5,575 is critical to avoid further downside. Break lower and we target this 5,493 to 5,474 value area and POC. On the 2-hour delta, we spot immediately that ES is staying nicely below the weekly VWAP with no attempts to break higher. Some responsive buying at the lows of 5,525 yesterday, but price keeps closing lower, so keeping the sellers in control. When we switch to the New York TPO chart, we see that ES New York session yesterday had a clean open test drive into this yesterday's POC. ES didn't even attempt to reach higher value, extended the opening range to the downside and found balance there. These poor lows indicate that more downside is possible. Opening below this 5,566 to 5,556 region could confirm a continuation lower. So let's jump in the most important chart, the 1-hour chart and the strike prices. So we have a possible failed breakdown below 5,552. So watch out for traps being set right here. We have new lower highs formed, breaking the previous low, which means the downtrend is still dominant. Our strike prices remain similar with a high at 5,650 and a low at 5,500. So what does this mean for a bullish game plan? My line in the sand will be 5,562, which lines up with yesterday's New York value area high and this downside ledge right here. Holding above this 5,562, we play the higher time frame value area. Longs can start at 5,572, targeting this 5,585, this 5,589, and this 5,618, which is the weekly POC. And for a bearish plan, holding below the line in the sand at 5,562. Shorts can open from 5,558, which lines up with this break of structure right here, targeting 5,542, 5,514, and 5,500 flat. Don't force your trades today, guys. Wait for clean setups. So guys, as said before, because I know some of you are really hard of hearing, it's Friday. Protect your profits. If you're unsure, just go out and enjoy the weekend. The market will be back Monday. As always, hit that notification bell to stay updated and subscribe to the daily newsletter. It's all free and delivered right to your doorstep. Stay patient, trade smart, and I'll see you Sunday for an extended weekly outlook.